What's up, y'all? So today I am going to have a little bit of fun with my hair. Although I love my wash and go and I wanted to keep it for a few more days, I have other obligations. That means I need to wash my hair out anyway. So I figured since I have to wash it out tomorrow, I should have fun with it today. So I'm not going to make this a long video, but let's watch me playing some hair color. Let's go. So I think the first color I'm going to use in the back is going to be gold because I used to always have my hair blonde. So I think gold would be a great color. And I got, this is a Colorffect color, and it is in gold, and I got this for like $6 at a hair store. Oh well, wait a minute, before we do all of that, how about let's spray some water on this thing. Let's get to painting, y'all. Let's get to painting. Big chunk. Oh shit. I can tell you this, I don't like high heels. I don't care what nobody else says. It's thick, it's chunky. My hair is wet, so I would have thought, like you said, it goes on so smooth. Lies. It is smooth, but it's not like, oh, nice smooth. It's like almost a gummy smooth. I'm gonna blame it on the fact that I already had product on my hair, maybe. And maybe that's what it is, but we're gonna keep going. Because we just like this. This is just what we're gonna do today. Okay, so now that I have done the back and I like it, I decided to do a little bit more of the back. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing. There's no rhyme or reason. We just gonna do it. I'm going to start with this half and apply. Maybe I should break it up. Yeah, I'll apply like this. And I'm trying to get as close to the scalp as I can. And I kind of didn't do the shingle method, but I am kind of just letting it break how it breaks up. And I'm just going to keep going. So you see how I'm applying it? Just like really taking small sections and starting all the way at the root and pulling it down so I can cover everything. And it's giving me a true color. It's not like a faded color. Like, I love how it looks. Okay, so it's about time to start on that next color, I think. What you think? I'm loving it though. Come on, y'all. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe because this is hot. I think it's the gel that I already have on my hair that makes it not slide so smoothly, but it's alright because, like we're saying, girls just want to have fun right now, so that's what I'm gonna do. The gel is on here. I'm gonna be real careful so I don't rip my hair out because of the gel. But our next color, you guessed it, pink. And I'm not wiping off my hands, so if the I freaking love it, yo. Yo. Hot, I freaking love it. I love it. So I am just gonna get this all in. And I'm doing the same method, working it from the roots down. So you see how it looks. I'm not holding back. I'm just letting it go on. I love how it looks. I want to see what it looks like when it dries with the two colors. I think this is going to be hot. And I'm just going to keep going through it until I got it all thoroughly coated. Make sure I get it all the way to the roots. Shout out to Erica who told me to go with pink. Knowing this is my favorite, one of my favorite colors. This is one of my favorite colors. Look at this, y'all. Let's go. Okay, y'all, I think I have it all applied, and this is the color. You can't see the gold yet, but I think when it dries, you'll see the gold a lot better. I'm really interested in what this is gonna look like. I'm excited for this. So I will be back with the final look in like 2 seconds. I am back. This is my final look. I was going for like a wet look with, you know, some colored hair, and like if I put my hair behind my ear, you can see the color more. The pop of color is amazing. So I was in here like whole live photo shoot. Like tomorrow I might pin my hair up and just let that color in the back shine through. Like I'm feeling all of this. I'm feeling all of this. But yeah, I was going for like the wet look type of feel. You know, I didn't do the wet look. So this is my wet look with some color. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Yeah, with all of that said, I hope you like this little small video or whatever, and I hope you subscribe, because you know I'm building my subscribers and we depend on you to get the subscribers and the likes. So hopefully you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and also give me a like. In the meantime, I will see you all in between time. I'm feeling this, y'all. Tell me what you think down in the comments, because I think I might try another color next week.